Suppose Chad can grab him anytime. Here you go, Aiden.
Hey, get him, get him! Oh. Whoa!
Aiden, hold the reel. He's holding the tip of the pole.
I'm trying to get him over here.
That's alright, you're doing good. This is too funny.
This is not funny.
Okay, now reel down. There you go, Aiden.
When do we reel down? Whoa!
Okay, now reel down. There you go. Let me tighten that drag.
Can you do it?
Nope, you got him.
No, he's swimming away. This guy's hard. That guy's flapping all over.